Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make grilled chicken. First, select your chicken pieces, like boneless, skinless breasts or thighs, which cook quickly and evenly. Marinating is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes or even a few hours to infuse flavor and keep the chicken moist. Before it hits the grill, pat your chicken thoroughly dry with paper towels. This simple step helps create that delicious, crispy sear we all love. Now let's get grilling. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, ideally between 400 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal cooking. Don't forget to oil your grates well to prevent any sticking. Place your chicken on the hot grill, cooking each side for about 6 to 8 minutes. This timing can vary slightly based on the thickness of your chicken pieces, so keep an eye on them. Knowing when your chicken is perfectly cooked is crucial. Always use a meat thermometer to confirm the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Resist the urge to cut into it right away. This releases precious juices. Instead, transfer your chicken to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in incredibly tender and flavorful chicken. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious grilled chicken. There are so many ways to serve it. Try slicing it and adding it to a vibrant salad with your favorite dressing for a light, healthy meal. It also pairs wonderfully with roasted vegetables like asparagus or colorful bell peppers. For a different twist, use your leftover grilled chicken in sandwiches, wraps, or even pasta dishes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.